Hello friends, today's topic is drawing an isometric view of a sphere. As we already know, if sphere is seen from any side, it appears as a circle only. So there is a certain approach to draw an isometric view of a sphere in isometric drawings. So let's start with the problem. The problem given here is draw isometric view of sphere of radius 30 mm. Before proceeding to the step-by-step approach of drawing an isometric view, first you draw or construct an isometric scale. Here first we have to draw a line at an angle of 45 degree. Here you can see this black colored line has to be drawn at 45 degree and take natural scale, means this distance must be 10 mm. From here this is 20, 30, 40, 50. So as per our scale, plot all the points 10, 10, 10 mm each. So you'll get 5 points over here considering 50 mm. So this is your natural scale. Now draw another line at 30 degrees. With the same origin and transfer all these points vertically downward on this line. So observation is that the 50 mm, consider this 50 mm, so it is going to be shortened by approximately 80%, means this length becomes 40 around. If I consider 30, so it becomes around 24. If it is a 20, it becomes 16. This is nothing but an isometric scale. So there is a basic difference between these two is, if this is a 10 mm, it becomes approximately around 8. This scale is useful in drawing an isometric view of a sphere. Now after drawing this, now radius is given to you 30 mm. So considering 30, this isometric scale becomes 24 mm. So this 24 is now useful for the next step. First draw 3 axes as per our regular practice. Now from the origin, we are assuming that the sphere is kept on the ground, okay, and here the important thing is that it is mentioned over here, the distance of the center of the sphere from its point of contact with ground. I repeat, the distance of the center of the sphere from its point of contact with ground is equal to the isometric radius of the sphere, that is 24 mm. Isometric radius means actual radius or natural radius is 30 mm, but because of isometric scale you are getting it as 24 mm. This 24 mm is nothing but the distance of the center of the sphere from the point of contact with ground. So consider this is the point of contact O with the ground. So from here at 24 mm we will get the center of the sphere. So plot this point and give the name C. So OC is nothing but the distance of center of the sphere to the point of contact. Now with this center, draw a circle of radius 30, which is actual dimension of the sphere. So to get the center distance from the point of contact, we have used an isometric scale. While drawing sphere, we are using actual radius of the sphere. So this is the basic difference between these two dimensions, and here it is very much clear to you why we have used isometric scale. This is your final drawing considering the sphere is in a contact with the ground. I hope the idea is clear to you, and in the next lecture we will solve problem based on the isometric view of sphere. Thank you. Thanks a lot.